Alright, today we're going to take this transmission cooler out, and I bought 2 transmission coolers off of eBay, and this is what it looks like. It comes with the the mounting hardware stuff, and comes with a hose, and comes with that hose and some of the hose clamps. So I'm gonna take this one out, and that's the biggest thing. If it gets 200 degrees, 240, somewhere around in there, the transmission fluid boils and it just ruins the transmission. So we're gonna upgrade our cooler and put it down in there. You'll see. All right, I got the old cooler taken out, and we're gonna upgrade to the new cooler. All right, so I've capped off the radiator, and now I got the new aluminized line that I've ran. It's all new line, and I got the new hose put on down here at the bottom. So we're going to go up and make the upper connections now. Alright, so I got both coolers dropped in there in front of the radiator, and I've got the hoses put on in the loop between the two there. Probably can't see any of this, but now I'm going to use these and mount them to the radiator there, and we'll have an upgraded, should never ever have it overheat, but heats the death of a transmission, and I put all that work in rebuilding it. I really don't want to smoke it, so we're gonna I'm gonna mount them now, and then I'll see if I get a little better view of this for you. All right, so I got both those coolers in there now, and I got the push through hold downs on. I had to use rubber grommets because they didn't send enough foam in this kit. And also these hold downs, they got little pieces of plastic, so they kind of suck. So I put a wire tie on each one. But I'm gonna trim them now, and I don't have the hard plastic up against. There's a rubber grommet in there, and there's foam. Usually these tie down kits, like if you go to O'Reilly's, they're $25 a piece. So I paid $38 for the hose, the tie down, and the intercoolers that are out there. So they sent cheap ones of those, but that wire tie keeps it's not going to pop off, and it holds it on there. And I got everything so it won't rub a hole in. So I'm going to trim all 8 of them up now. So I'm going to trim all 8 of them up and cut them back so the fan can't hit them. And then I'm going to fire it up. I might have to put a quart of fluid in it. I got a quart here. And we'll see if we got any leaks. It shouldn't, but if we got any leaks, we'll fix the leaks. And then we'll see if it needs any more fluid. But with those 2 coolers, I shouldn't worry about burning up my transmission, even if I pull big heavy loads. If I put a couple tons on, or a ton or whatever, I'm going up hills, or I'm towing cars or whatever with this dump truck, that transmission shouldn't smoke, and may live a little longer. Alright, I'm going to trim it up now and fire it up. Alright, I don't see any leaks. You can see how the fan's sucking air through those trans coolers. So not leaking here anywhere. Alright, well, if you like this kind of stuff, check back in. I'll top the fluid off if it needs it or anything, but it should be pretty vital to keep from burning this rebuilt transmission up. A lot of people forget about the trans cooler. Alright, have a nice day.